Guys, I'm having an issue with my water draining out of there. Out of my little mini washer, you see it's on drain. This is how slow it's draining out. I've already tried to clean some of it out with my drain ruler. I stuck it up this hose, but it didn't work. So now I'm going to take off the bottom of this panel here. I'm going to unplug it from the wall. I'm going to take my electrical drill, just a really cheap drill. I'm going to take the back off. So I'm going to take this off. There's one screw. I'll put this down so I can actually get it out. I'm going to pop this off. Which I can easily do with just one hand. Okay. Wow. So obviously it's nothing. And this part has to be getting clogged up right here. So somewhere in here is getting clogged. Yeah. So I am going to put this back on. Wow. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this back on, and I'm pretty sure it's getting clogged up right here. So I'm going to let the water drain. As you can still see, like, here's some of the water right here, and I'm pretty sure that it's getting stuck right here. So I'm gonna wait till the inside of it drain off a little bit more, and I'm gonna put the back on this. Actually just got done washing my bedroom sheet, so that's what that is. So as you can see, there are two screws right there, but I need to get the water out of it. It drains, but it drains very slowly. So I'm probably gonna have to be continued this so you guys can actually see what it looks like that I'm taking apart. Okay, so about 10 minutes later, it's finally drained. So I am going to take off these two back screws that you see in the back. Okay, so I got it off, and I'm going to stick the drain router. This thing, I'm going to stick it down on the inside, and I'm gonna have to put the camera down, you guys, because I can't do this with two hands. Hold the camera and try to get this out. And this is what I pulled out of there with the drain router, out of here, you guys. So that is one big chunk. That's one big chunk. So hold on, guys, my baby's crying. I have to go tend to my son. Hold on. Okay, so I don't know if I can hold this straight without it jiggling too much. Now the first time I did this, I got a lot out, so so let me try to fill it up with some water. to see what it looks like. Okay, so it's still on drain, you guys. Yay, I fixed it. Normally when I fill it up like this, it would hold water. Like the water wouldn't even drain down the tube like this. It will just automatically start filling up with it being on drain. And you guys seen how slow it actually drained out. So it's still kind of clogged up. So I'm going to take the centerpiece off. But as you can see, it's draining out the bottom way faster. But now I'm going to take the centerpiece off of it to see if there's anything that's draining in that middle piece. So let me turn off the water. So I couldn't take the middle piece off of it because it drains, it spins when I try to take it off. But I'm just going to push the holes back on the inside of it. And I have the hot water running, you guys. So, and as you can see, like there's stuff falling out of there. But I'm going to push the holes up. Just trying to loosen up more of that dirt, you guys. And I have just straight hot water running. So, as you can see, as of right now, that's good enough for me. It's draining all the way out correctly. And you guys seen how much stuff came out of there. So that concludes this video. I hope this really helped. If you guys are having problems with your mini spin cycle washer being plugged up with just lint and stuff, I really hope this video helped you guys. And I'll leave all the links down in the description box to this washer and to the drain router that I use. I will have that link down in the description box for you guys. So I really hope this video helped, and thanks for watching. Bye.